How to turn on desktop mode on YouTube mobile. First thing you have to do is open up any web browser where you're using YouTube. And then from here, you're going to have to go ahead and search for youtube.com. Simply go ahead and search for youtube.com. And then now, as you can see here, once you land on this YouTube page, you could just go ahead and search for YouTube like this. And from here, you could just go ahead and hit enter. Click on the first link that you see. But as you guys can see, it is redirecting us to our YouTube application. So in that case, what you want to do is long press on YouTube, head over to app info, and then from here, you're going to have to tap on set as default, turn this open supported links off. Now if we go back to our browser and open YouTube, here it will let us open up our YouTube. So from here, if you want to turn on the desktop side, tap on the three lines at the top right. And then from here, you'll see the desktop side option. Just tap on it. And now you've successfully turned on the desktop side. So you can zoom in, zoom out of your YouTube and browse through your videos. And it's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.